Yes, Aya. Yes, Aya. Yes, Aya. Good morning. Yeah, man. Good morning to all my viewers and subscribers on the voice of Bed Miller. Yeah, man. This morning, a band stand me there. Band stand me there. Soldier bed. Yeah, man. I come out to my soldier outfit this morning. Yes. The soldier outfit. Big up yourself, soldier, for the sports and lifestyle family. And you give me the name Soldier Bed, you know. Yeah, man, you give me the name Soldier Bed and Fire Bed. Because enough name you have, you know. You start off from Funky Bed, Joe Grind, Ageable, Sweet 16. Yeah, man, Joey. Yeah, Hungry Man. Big up yourself, Jonathan, Hungry Man. Yeah, in a seat. Yeah, man. A whole heap of name me have. Yeah, man. But me just love the Michael Malley Pitney. Yeah. Yeah, man. Yeah, man. And one man army. One man army, one you. Yes. So my point of view right now, I got burn some fire this morning. You know. Yeah, man. I got me there bandstand. The only show when I come out this morning, you know, in my army suit. Because I tell the converts them a fall or Christian them I tell them say, I go to do my thing one away. Most of the time, if you have no, if you go to the meet and greeting with that Mr. Wicker McNeil, we will join in and video it and go to some strength. But as what I'm telling you, say, brother, when you too soft, a bunch time you come this morning, you know, because Mr. Fix your camera wrong if you come call me dunce, you know. You wrong, you should never, Mr. Fix your camera, me a one man, when you can label as, you see them how them generation nowadays stay, them pitney nowadays stay, them talk about them are dunce, and they want to wear dunce panning back and them sitting there. Back in the 70s, nobody couldn't call me dunce. We take them things as an insult. Yes. Because Michael Manley put things in place. Yeah man, for the poor class of people, we get education. Michael Manley bringing free education. Because I tell you, me ball like them yesterday morning, you know. For only see only a treat bolt, you know. And I go see a man from me tell live with John. You see a man from me tell live with John last night, you know, brother. The ball living in I water too, you know. In daughter one can't do a final exam a year way. A girl left school, the girl left school with 8 subjects, with distinction. 8 subjects she left. And the father is a good father, the man's a taxi man. In a seat. And the girl can't, the man a beg help. So the daughter can finish sitting final exam. Are you with Michael Manley when say education is not free, right? Education be free to all classes of people. And Michael Manley bringing anything there. In a seat. And the man want 1.5 million when the Prime Minister have 28 bank account. Whenever a young brilliant-minded girl, they are you, and she can't sit a final exam because of 1.5 million. If I ever get 1.5 million fee, sometime in April, almost a 4.5 million fee to carry out through university. If I get 1 million student loan, if I pay something there. 50,000 Jamaican a month with the loan and all them sitting there. The man is struggling, the man barely living in water. Permanent tell life, John, just like I barely living in water for Usain Bolt. Yes. In no way. That's what I tell poor people. Being doctor, poor people become doctor in Jamaica is a figment of imagination. Poor people can't become doctor again. You know, see? Because it costs a lot of money Lot of money costs, it costs millions, it costs. That's why the people them in the seat. That's why some of them, that's why they do that to Usain Bolt, you know. Because it's uno sit labor right. It's uno sit labor right. One style people has done. Actually, no one come up playing a style, no one style Usain Bolt has done, you know. Smartly, you know. No one style Usain Bolt has done, you know. That's when it's about a bad investment in doing, you know. Because he no education, you know. And that no one smartly, you know. And that no one do, you know. But what I tell you, say, the same amount of subjects my hero left NIP school with, are the same amount of subjects me left NIP school with. I mean, I'm telling you how much amount of subjects me left NIP school with, you know. You know, see? Because I'm telling you, kids, students, with the high school, is not the amount of subjects you left. Is not the amount of subjects your CXC passes you have. Because the girl get 8 CXC passes. Both them get so much CXC passes. And look on Usain Bolt now. Look on Usain Bolt now. Me cry now. Because I want a wicked set of people, you know. You see him when I sell out Jesus Christ, you know. You know, see it? You see him when I sell out Jesus. You see him set of people. That's why them are buying out, see me. I said them buy out the poor people, them. Yes. You wicked set of people. Yeah. You know, see it? You see him and sell out Jesus Christ. You literally want style up, you know, see it? But as I say, the girl have 8 CXC passes with distinction, and the girl parents are struggling to send her to university. The man about the living in water. You know, see? The man seek help. Right now, I go want to entertain and go come up here help all the man. Because the politicians don't do it. Yes. So I tell Mr. Fitzroy, you're wrong if you come to tell me as done, you know, brother. That's why I go tell you, go on top of the show labor, I go walk on bandstand. I go walk on bandstand right now. I walk on bandstand. Because I come back to bandstand, you might walk over park. Yes, a bandstand, yeah man. Yes, a bandstand, but it's a chat bad man. Yeah man, me chat bad. Yeah man, me chat me patois. This a bandstand, I will Miss Lou need to perform. Miss Lou and Mass Run. Because Twinkle Brothers tell me, yes, so Mass Run introduced Twinkle Brothers. Yeah man, people farm. This is the historical entertainment spot of Falmouth. Just like our park and the historical playground. I look on the shame and dirtiness and Mr. Fixer Campbell. TJ. You sent a message to me yesterday and say, Mr. Bed, my name kill you Falmouth, you know. But I tell TJ, me willing to dead right, you know, for the youths them. We cry for the youths them. I'm willing to dead for the youths them right, you know. So TJ, if they want to come kill me, they come kill me. When they come to kill me, because them are the contract killers them, you know. The contract killers them now do no contract killing, you know. They are kind of bull on pan them gun, you know. Because the election here, you know. But wait until the election done. And I go see. But I know that already. When they come kill me, you know, left me blind brother alone. Yes. Left me blind brother alone. I know I don't have long left on earth here. But I'm alright. I live my time on earth here. That's why I don't want nobody to hold me too tough. They keep my circle small. Because you know I sell out. You know I sell out. I saw on the ground a whole set of people who are selling a vote only on destroy Jamaica. Because that's why Andrew wants to buy at the wall on the 2020. Buy at the wall on now. So that's why I want to walk up and down with the too tough, you know. Because no fun of PMP, when you come vote, if you don't get money. So I go take my camera, you know, and walk on and show the nastiness. The nastiness what they want them to talk about them a show labor right. They go show the nastiness, a bandstand, the most historical. I just say go gather sports day. I just say go gather and sell them things. I just say the housing go gather. Then go try to clean it up for sports day. Because on the sports day is a clean up. On the sports day they clean the place. That's why I'm supposed to the field cut. Mr. Free Strike Campbell, you don't know your ramp, you know. For your style, me as done, me take that serious. Me no embrace dunce, you know. Because I know what is dunce being, you know. We lack knowledge, you know. That's why ignorance enslave and knowledge liberate. Me the brightest boy in the school, 9-4. 9-4, me the brightest boy in the school, 9-4 class. The brightest boy in the school, 10 agriculture, 10 agri class. I mean, I say nothing more. A bright, Mr. Free Strike Campbell. You know, such a nastiness. I want to show up from 1970 up here gun and nastiness and corruption. Want to show them in a fall mode. They're going to show them nastiness one about the place now. You know, see, me a one man army. I'm not afraid of one, you know, brother. Look on the filter and nastiness. Eh? You start from that gate. And now, you know, see it. Yeah, man. Because the pit have to walk through them part. I show it already, man. I come back for sure now. And you, your mom is a fix right here, my daughter. You come out and ring bell. When you get guns, man, we clean up the nastiness here. And them have to go and clean up. Yeah, man. Look on them sitting there. Pampas and they sitting there. Look on Pampas and they sitting there. A bandstand. Look on the nastiness. Look on them sitting there. And this in the shower. With the youth in my traverse. Look how, you know, see, look how bandstand stay. The kids didn't come and play when school over, you know. Yeah, man. Look how bandstand stay. Eh? Eh? I just want to go gather sports there and selling the things them. And you, the chairman of Bag School come out and ring bell. She come out and come, when we are march, she come out and come and ring bell. Eh? You shouldn't be a chairman on herself. Bag School board, in a seat. Yeah, man. Now expose, you know. So what I say? Your son belongs to the school. Eh? Eh? Look on the garbage. And the mess. Eh? Look on the garbage. When we used to go back to school, yes, I was for the playground. Yes, I was for the playground. Yeah. Look on the nastiness. You know, see it? I'm not going to talk about no show labor right. All no show of all must pay corruption and you know see it and you know see it. And now look on them place brother. Eh. Me not even know say because back in the days when they are back school. Yo Mikey, come out to my video, look at it. Come out to my video. Come in on to a video yo. You understand me? Me now video the item in the brother. Me have video by school. By school, because me now video, you know. No want to make video, brother. Me I tell people say, they'll get when they block off. We used to walk through there, so. Then part a wall off. No wall never used to do so. We used to walk through there, so. And go up on the field. Then block off, you know. And we can't walk, we can't get access to the field. You understand me? That me have video, my girl. Me have video, you know. Yeah, man, me have video, no, my friend. Me I tell people, just when we used to block off, you know. Just when we open up. I used to walk from here, so. We used to walk from here, so. Eh? Me say when we see that by school, you never used to block off. We used to walk from there, so. And walk here, so. And walk here, so. And go up on the field. We used to walk here, so. And go up on the field. And look at the place there. Eh? We can't go up on the playground. We can't go no further. You know see it? We can't go no further. Because the place of forest and shame and disgrace. Yes. In a 2011, when the shipping thing started to fall much, that's when they planted them palm tree here. They planted the palm tree them. And beautify bandstand. Them beautify bandstand, you know. Me never know if I not me never know when PMP when in a seat when take back over the government. Bandstand when beautify. Because me come up on the wedding photo shoot. Me do over here. Remember, just when pretty no royalty judge. Because them put up them thing and beautify the place because of tourism. And because tourists stop coming. Because tourists stop coming. Them start look after the place. They're not busy about it again. That's a Falmouth run. So Falmouth run, brother. You know, see it? So I'm telling you. Yes, so we can enter. Pay garbage and bush and forestry. And that's in the show in a Falmouth. We're going to make the content be about, yes. And that me I tell you. Bandstand. Yeah, man. Pampas and I believe Pampas are part of them sitting there. The chairperson, what chairperson at Bar School? Put on the bell. Put on the bell and go clean up. Yeah, man. Since you don't want to imply nobody, can I go back to it again? Put on your bell and go clean up the place. Yeah, man. Clean up them garbage in a seat. Yeah, man. Be a ring bell. The Bar School principal and the Bar School chairman and the school board, you don't need to take care of yourself and go away. You understand me? We show it long time, you know. You know from when they must sit next to there, so. Our people must have continue to show them nastiness or so. Eh? Back in the days. So the nastiness them there see me. Back in the days, Falmouth people never did so nasty. We live in the 70s, never did so nasty. I pay nastiness about the place. You know, see it? We don't need to block out the place and protect the place. And that's what we need to do. But we don't do it. Because the local people come here so. No tourists now come here so again. And that me I tell you now. You know, see it? Because the voice of Bedman, because I made they expose certain things. Because my YouTube channel, and if you beg now, come in and beg now people to subscribe to my thing, you know. Who want to subscribe. You know, see it? So, come and do thing for money. So we say 50 person, 100 person that share my thing. This is nice. This is the capital of Trelawney. Yeah, man, the Falmouth playground. Falmouth playground. Trelawney where Usain Bolt come from. And you know, because on you treat Usain Bolt, the same father couldn't recover from his sickness. You think 2 million? Look how the place stay. Look how the place stay. Eh? Look how the place stay. In Tova, look how the place stay. Barrack School. Back in the 70s, under Michael Mann government, Barrack School didn't stay so. Look how the place stay. Eh? Eh? They must soon start touch the goalpost again. Eh? Yes. Yeah, man. I'm Bro Devil. I'm Babsy. I'm going to start calling Babsy Mange. Because Babsy and Mange when they come on to yeah, man, to sports. You're going to talk about wavy lines, play cricket. But Babsy Grange, Bro Devil and Babsy Mange. Bro Devil and Babsy Mange. Because we can styling up, you know. Yeah, man. Because you don't deserve no honor beside the name. And I Ugly Mac Desmond Mackenzie. Ugly Mac Desmond Mackenzie. The wickedest black man I come across in my lifetime. Ugly Mac Desmond Mackenzie. What Siaga used to beat? What the white man Siaga used to beat? I don't want to come preach racism for the people them. Because on the plan one of 2020, we try to kill out, no, we try to get rid of certain age group out of Jamaica. I surviving. Look on the place where I am because all the way in tune to me thing. Look on the place where I am cut. What there? Look how it stay back. Christine, your son, and Mula boy them from compound. Do good at good do a DA sports. Yes. TJ a good coach. But Christine and the fan would come with them. How can you can't expect to beat 8 Premier Infant? 8 Premier Infant deserve to win. 8 Premier Infant deserve to win the sports, the DA sports. Because the Pampas school playground. Eh? What God spending money for cut and prepare and look how Pampas school playground. The Pampas school playground stay. Eh? Me go, oh, yeah, me a walk. Look at the place bush up back. Eh? Give thanks to the son of man in ball of them. Then just cut out for him part to play them football. Only one come put back greenhouse. Eh? That's what I tell you. That's why you see me one man army. Not do my thing alone. Come and trust nobody. Because you don't understand my mission, you know. Me telling you, say, if you boycott bio school sports, no purple house, no bio school sports, no man. You don't want to boycott it. Because you don't want to pick the figure Miami. Go run. You know see it? Upon a disgraceful condition. I mean I talk about. You grieve me, oh God spending money to cut the place, for the field for mark. You know see it? Yeah. And look how the place look. Eh? Look how the place look. Eh? Fee. Over here now, by school pitting them can't play no football on the field. Yeah. Them 5-year-old, 6-year, 7-year-old pitting can't get a fee to play big goal pond. And Bro Devil and Babsy Mange. Bro Devil and Babsy Mange, they are national stadium. Yeah man. The cheer for Messi. The cheer for Messi. Bro Devil and Babsy Mange. The national stadium. A cheer for Messi. I look on Farmouth All School playground. In part I feel it, sir. I just see the kind of fraction of there. Look on Farmouth All School playground. They can't play no football. The boy school PE teacher, Mr. Belvit, he want to start a football academy and a track academy, a bike school. The school where in a seat and he can't start it. In a seat, the youth is so loyal to Falmouth. When I hold back the youth progress. Look on the place. Eh? You can't talk. You can't. I'm not afraid of you, you know. Come and begging nothing, you know. As me tell Christine, say, oh, we need to come together and boycott by school sports. In a seat. Because when 2 over in 1980, 2 over something there. Look on the big old water ship. Because zoom me. Eh? Yeah man, see sunrise there. I wear ship there. See ship there. That's not a ship, you know. Yeah man, that's a mobile hotel. And them things come a Falmouth. Where the money I go? Where the money they go? Look on Falmouth playground. Where the money they go? Where the money they go? Look on the disgraceful condition. You know see it? And Bro Devil and Babsy Mange, they are national stadium. Yeah man. They support Messi. They support Messi. Messi will play football fan for them 4 years with Argentina. Pan good playground. And look on, watch it. Look at the football field is now. At the football field is now. You know see it? You them follow and only want put us back in a green. Like we don't do nothing at all. Eh? At the football field this. When you come a part of the football field is, you know see it? Yeah. When me and look boy, you know, we're gonna walk through your say, you know, and jump the gutter, you know. In a Michael Manley time, we're gonna walk panning part here and cross the gutter. You know see it? And go across the next section. Yeah man. We go anything. Yes sir. You see last year Tova cut the place in such a way. Because last year Tova spent 7 million. 7 million Tova spent and cut the place. You can see from down there so and see the wall is so clear. Yeah man. See palm tree them a Tova plant, yeah? Eh? Me not think me can pass them part of to go to where they got to there. Me can't go through them part again. When me a boy, we can walk so and jump across the gutter and go over there so. Tova palm tree them now. And them Tova plant up last year. See them here? Tova Hamilton plant them. With the 7 million, why get from the government and for your project? Yeah man. You know see it? And them Tova plant up. And all of them dead. All of them dry up. Because you too corrupt, brother. You know see it? At 25 minutes me gone. Alright, me go try to end up on here so. Me left my bicycle at Bandstand. I don't know if they go, because I can't trust the people nowadays because them thief like a pussy, you know. I pay a thief and them about the place, you know, brother. Because I pay all the prosper, all the prosper since something there. Since 2016. In a seat. I pay contract killers and corruption and thieves in a seat. And internet wars. When I walk street again and sell them body. Then sell them body on internet. Yes, all of them things that go to Jamaica right now. So me I walk go over there and sign off this one. Come now, make me think pass half an hour. 15 minutes for me, a joke thing. Yes. So me I telling them say, me tell Christine them say, if a boy got bicycle sports should not keep long time. Yes. See them here? And them a Tova plant up and then dead out. See it here? Because she no win. Yeah man. See palm tree them a Tova plant up here, you know. Last year January, you know. And all of them dead. All of them dead. Yeah man. Because the way them so corrupt. And them a Tova plant up last year January, you know. You know see it? The whole is a cut and look pretty. Yes. Plant up them are sitting here. You can all walk over the people now hear me, brother. Why TJ? We willing to dead right now, you know. I'm going to join Mama Cherry, you know. Because I know Mama Cherry in a Hebrew arms, you know. Because I don't forget, I don't see it. Because I know Mama Cherry in a Hebrew arms. Yeah. Because Lazarus was a rich man. You know see it? Yeah man. Because I know my mother got through a lot on earth. Yeah. Yes. Remember Lazarus was a rich man. I don't go to Bible class this morning. But as what I say, this is the best thing I see happen with this longest white boy a place. But it's still not take care of. Look on the place. Last year January, they my part of cut. And when Tova lose, Tova don't give a damn about, don't do nothing at all to the place. That's why last year September, the 16th of September, when we come over here and call myself Michael Manley Pitney. You know see it? The place been so far it's up. Yeah. And see it? January last year, before the local government election. Just so when cut. And look good. Every year so when cut. Tova spent 7 million. Because God tell me that she get 7 million for that project and she dumped the 7 million down so. But because she lose, because no matter no one do, you can never win farmer division. Can't win the council of farmer as long as you don't live. Because we farmer people not selling out. We not sell vote. You know see it? A educated fool and fully done people selling vote. You know, so I'm making you know that. I mean, respect the article Labour right people them who not sell them vote. Me respect me give respect to the article the Labour right people them who not sell them vote. Yeah man. Okay. You see it? They start cutting now. Okay. Then cut back out of so. Then cut back out of so. So I must have cut. Then go start. Then go start cutting now. Because sports have come up. Remember out of so Wednesday? Last year October plant up them. Last year they plant them flowers there. Last year they plant up. They want to suffocate. So now they cut it now. Then cut it. And they cut them part now. Because sports they come up. You know see it? Yeah man. Half an hour gone. I walk back up a park. Yeah man, and cut them part of now. Because this is going to prepare when time sports day. They come near. Okay, have a playground. I'm going to sports day. You know see, them a place have to keep clean all the while. All the while we keep clean. I say when stay last year January. Not for the plant them dead out. Not for what over plant up dead. You know see it? I mean I'm telling you. It's a shame and disgrace, brother. You know see it? That's why I shed tears, you know, brother. Because I know say when a man lose 2 billion Jamaican, when a man knows his son, give him heart and soul for Jamaica. You know see it? And lose 2 billion Jamaican. And when his son come up and speak about it, the people them turn against his son. The man must take it to heart. They say, I want to kill you same word father, you know. Who no kill the man father, you know. Because the man couldn't recover. No kill the man six so long. When you speed up in death. When you so wicked, you know, brother. Yeah, man. When you so wicked in such a way. That's me afraid I want to my brother. That's why sometimes I want to walk. That's why I do my content. Let's go from here a bit and stay in my yard. You understand me? So you miss fix where can be data. Put on your bell. Put on your bell. The chairwoman of from at all school. In a seat. Yeah man. Put on your bell and go and clean up. Them what? Pampas. Yeah man. A Pampas park that's near right now. Go clean up Pampas park. Go pay a Pampas over here. Yeah man. So the chairperson for bike school, put on a bell and go clean the Pampas them over here. Yeah man. And tile the paper and all them sitting there. What do you think the traverse? Because I fix where I can be around because I don't, you know. Come and take don't thing as no invitation, you know. Come here, remember boy anybody couldn't call me dunce, you know. Because when they embrace dunce in the Michael Manley time, you know. We Michael Manley generation, you know see it? Don't embrace dunce. Because we know what is dunce. But my generation embrace dunce. I ain't born dunce, brother. Seem like I ain't born 6. Because people have got to embrace 6. We born 6. You know see it? Because we're afraid of 6 people. We go sign off now. Look on the palm tree them. Look on the, this was beautiful. The beautiful palm tree them. Mother Nature. Still a strive same way. And look on the ground. Look on the ground, brother, for the kids them. Look on bandstand. As sports day, they go clean up here. You hear me, brother? No sign off now. That's why sometimes my content can be no in a seat. We want to listen it. We want to share it. In a seat. Yeah man, so Michael Manley Pitney. Yeah man. Wang you soldier bed. Yeah man. I go sign off now. I go sign off now, brother. I'm going to beach. Because people sometimes feel me not even sleep at night time. Last time I couldn't sleep. Last time I see the man shedding tears. Man shed tears from my tail television. In daughter can't sit in final year exam at your way. In daughter serve medical in the medical field. On the Prime Minister the bird in Sanjay on sports and lifestyle. You did it right. For your Prime Minister contractor. You did it right. For your Prime Minister's 20-year-old son are the richest 20-year-old in the world. All the board devil do a trick you know. That him a do you know. A trick you know. Because from 2020 the man get, I don't want to call his name. I don't want to call Tower 2020. But from 2020 the man from 2020 the man get BG money. A BG money he use and win election. Come and tell you something, man. The man there is the board devil. The man in higher powers. He man mount to kill all the man there. Because the man want legalize over and sitting there. The man in higher science. We have fight against principle of higher power. That's why when the pastor man in the church, the burn fire against them, the man drop down in the church. Because most of them, the man drop down in the church. In the presence of Andrew one is the whole of the men in the church today. The man of science high. Remember when time Moses threw down his word, you know, he turned snake, you know, in the seat. And fear man, them threw down for the word to turn snake, you know. The Bible tells us don't allow to witch for living, you know. I don't go to no Bible class. No, just go on easy. Because when we have to do word to preach to, you know. As I said, now sign off for now. Now sign off for now. Christine and the comments them on the boycott by school sports. Boycott by school sport and send a message. You don't have to wait until when time because me are telling you now. But if you say, oh no, PMP go win back so easy, you know. PMP not go win back so easy, you know. Because PMP them sell out the most, you know. And I vote, you know. As PMP people them sell out the most, you know. One thing I like with the Labour right people them. They now sell out. They might come out and they vote. The last election, both devil gain power by the lowest voters turnout. More people no vote, more than who vote. Because both devil worship of them. Because both devil are God. Both devil worship of them come out to come support him. PMP people them not support. Now come out come vote. Then the same thing to Michael Mann in 1980. So when I feel them come along, you know. And when I feel the massive crowd move up and down, you know. They must sell out. A PMP supported by the most sellout people them. Because the JP they buy them out. Yeah man, JP man they buy them out. And that board ever do the last election and sweep it and turn Jamaica green. I hope Mark G can save you know. I hope Damon Crawford can save you know. You know see it? Or the educated man they can save you know. Save them people, are them same people that still love Jesus Christ. Boy Bernie, let me call him Jesus Christ because the name was Jesus Christ. They're not going to know my name when I'm born. They're not going to understand what me call that name. Let me call him Jesus Christ. Are the same set of people them. Are them same people that kill you same about Father. So quick. Yes, in this sickest, the man father is sick, but the man can recover. You know, his son so that go to Jamaica. And I choose Barabbas over his son. When you cost the man, I tell the man, but the man have bad investment. When I blame all Porsche. For the man missing money, and we all know the thing go. The man father to survive. 2 billion, you think 2 billion, a small amount of money, brother. The man prong him money for the people him, or the thief the man money. And that's why me crying now. But we don't have no heart. We still up in the Prime Minister. You know see it? Boy devil. You know, this is name Andrew neither. You know, see, because Andrew was one of Jesus' apostle. Yes, I sign up by saying, because as I say, 40 minutes me ago. I sign up by saying, me I call him, boy devil, you know, see, holy mess. No holiness, because nothing holy about that man there. Boy devil, holy mess. Because the place mess up. That's all the show I found with PMS. You know, see, Bo Devil, Holy Mess government, got PMS. PMS, look on Pampas Park. A Pampas Park, that's the name, you know. Pampas, because the whole year belongs to your park. Bandstand, the whole year so. If no one call it Pampas Park, or Pampas stand. So the chairwoman, the chairwoman, a bag school, in a seat. Would they ring a bell? Would they ring a bell? Come, take off the Pampas them off out the bandstand. Come, clear the Pampas them off out the band. Come now pay the guns man them. A bag school if you do in a seat. If you walk. When you now pay the guns man them. And look at the place there. When you go say, yes, no belongs to the school. And sports did the whole again over here, so they're still in the one no one sell. Hey. 40 minutes. Who want share it? Come go circle. If you don't want share the voice of bed, come in want look, me don't want no money. Come in and do this thing for money. Me cry for the youths them. Me cry for the youths them if you know say. In a seat. Bo Devil and Babsy Minge, they are national stadium. National stadium built by Michael Manley father. Younger generation and Michael Manley father built national stadium. Michael Manley father. See there? Michael. See me I take out a boat side of Michael Manley, you know. I just take out Michael Manley and Bev. Because Michael Manley have 5 wives. You know see? So big up the Bev still, you know. Because I build one little for Angie, you know. Sister Angie, you know. And it's Michael Manley put on the boat side there. Big up yourself, Sister Angie. Because you say one of this song, and we belong to Angie. We have fight the fight for the youth them. So Christine, and he come with them, no purple house, no sports there. No purple house, no sports there. No purple house, no sports there. And that in the video and stop talking about bicycle deserve. Bicycle deserve. That's why your primary, Mr. Elvin School deserve to win the sports. Big up to the compound kids, them what win race at DA Sports. When if you boycott bicycle, brother, with them disgraceful condition of bicycle, I want to know higher. I want to know. You know, see it? Sure. I'm going to sweat one out of me right now to Auntie George. You know, see it? I have to train, you know. I shake on my sweat. I'm a different man. You know, see it? So anyway, if you want to come kill me, you can't come kill me. TJ, I'm not afraid for dead. I'm not afraid of who can kill the body, but can't kill my soul. Yeah, man. Because Lazarus in a year arms when in dead, you know. And the rich man got hell, you know. So I'm telling us all the rich people are hell not going, you know. Man, if you say the power of the one joke thing, you know. Hell not going, you know. So no dead, so no got hell, you know. So no dead, who no got heaven, you know. That me I tell you, know. Some of the few who can kill my body, but can't kill my spirit. Who no go torment in hell. You say, bro devil, you want your angels, you want all, you want Ugly Mark and Babsy Green, you want, and all the politician. All the PMP politician to would have gone and deceive poor people. The whole of the hell. So now call up and you see it. The whole of them are going hell. You see cartel come out of prison and try to change up in life. Cartel have answer to God, you know. Cartel I go face in judgment, you know. See cartel and bound to kill the whole of them. And Buju Banton will them the America. Everybody the America. Yes. But big up to all the man them who preach positive words like Buju Banton and in a seat. Yeah. Because Buju Banton the man a burning fire. In a seat. That me are telling a brother. Bed Miller. In a seat. Michael Manley Pitney. Yeah man, Michael Manley Pitney. I try down right now. Big up yourself, Suko. Big up yourself, Suko. Yes. A 44 minutes. I'm not wrong. Because 45 in a seat. A 45 minutes I want half in a football game. So I work me the workout, the bust some sweat. So it approach 45 minutes right now. Who want me go share it, who want listen it, who want share it. So all of me I say, the chairwoman, when I call up because you're woman, you know man. the chairwoman to Falmouth All Age School, put on a bell and go and clean out the Pampas them. From over Pampas stand. This is a bandstand again. A Pampas stand in name. Put on a bell and go and clean up Pampas stand. Because sports day is coming up. I want to say that nastiness. You know, see about no show labor, right? That's all no show in Jamaica. Corruption and nastiness and guns. Yes, Aya. Yes, Aya. Yes, Aya.